आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Here the question is, let a vector and v vector are two non-parallel unit vector, right, in a plane. If this vector, which is alpha times of a vector plus v vector, bisect the internally angle between a and v. Basically this vector is bisect this and this angle, bisect, right, internally, then find the value of alpha, right. So here this question is saying that this vector, it bisect these two vector, right. So it means the angle formed by these and these, it is equal to the angle formed by these and these vector, right. So we can say that angle formed by, as we know that angle between, before solve the question you should learn a concept which is angle between two vector, let's say a vector and v vector. So angle between two vector is given by cos theta, right. It is equal to a vector dot v vector divided by magnitude of a vector multiplied by magnitude of v vector, right. So by using this thing we can write as the angle between a vector and this vector is a vector dot this vector, which is alpha times a vector plus b vector, then divide by magnitude of its vector, which is magnitude of a vector, and magnitude of this vector, which is alpha times a vector plus b vector, right. It should be equal to angle between this vector, because this vector is bisect these two angles, right. It means this angle formed by this b vector and this vector, it is should be equal to this vector and this vector, because this is bisect this angle, right. We know that if angle is bisect, it means both angle are equal. So we can write as here v vector dot alpha times a vector plus b vector, then divide by, here is magnitude of v vector and alpha a vector plus b vector, right. So as you know that these two vector are unit vector, right. So it means the value of magnitude of a vector is 1 and magnitude of b vector is 1, so it get cancelled out, and here is it is also get cancelled out, right. So basically you are left with here only. So here you finally left with only a vector. Here is a vector dot, here is alpha times of a vector plus v vector, right, and it is equal to v vector, here is v vector dot alpha times of a vector plus v vector, right. Here is v vector, right. So if you further solve this, then you will get here alpha times of a vector dot a vector, right, plus a vector dot v vector, right. It is equal to, here you can see that alpha times of v vector dot a vector, right, plus v vector dot v vector, right. And we know that the value of a vector dot a vector, it is equal to magnitude of a vector square, right. And here is given that a vector and v vector are unit vector. It means this thing, which is we can write as here alpha times of a vector magnitude of a vector square plus it is a vector dot v vector, right. It is equal to alpha times of v vector dot a vector, and this thing we can write as magnitude of v vector square, right. And here is given that a vector and v vector both are unit vector, so we can say that it comes out alpha a, right, plus alpha, here is a vector dot v vector plus here is alpha times of it is equal to, here is not plus, here is equal to, right. So here is equal to alpha times of v vector dot a vector plus 1, right. And if you take everything in left hand side, so it's become alpha minus 1, right, and it is plus, and it's become alpha. If you're taking a vector dot v vector common from these two, then it's become a vector dot v vector, it is multiplied by, here is left only 1 minus alpha, and it is equal to 0, right. Now you are going to taking common alpha minus 1 from both, so it's become alpha minus 1, it is multiplied by here 1, and it's become minus a dot a vector dot b vector, right? It is equal to 0. Here is, you can see that two numbers are different. Two things, product of two things is 0. It means either first thing is 0, which is here alpha minus 1, it is equal to 0, or you can say second thing is 0, which is 1 minus a vector dot v vector, it is equal to 0. So from first thing we will get here value of alpha is 1, and from second thing we will get 1 is equal to a vector dot v vector, right? And we know that if dot product of any two vector is 1, it means both vector are parallel to each other. But here is given that a vector and v vector are non-parallel to each other, right? Here is non-parallel to each other. It means this thing is cannot be possible. Only one thing can be possible, which is alpha is equal to 1, right? So that's our final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।